Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming model and iOS because procedures differ by generation. Once backed up, free at least 500 MB of storage and close apps so the system can respond. If the display is unresponsive, force restart now. This clears temporary glitches. Enable assistive touch as a safety control so you can simulate gestures. Make sure to note whether the issue is full screen app only or system-wide. This helps decide whether to reset settings or reinstall apps later. Once done with restart and backup, dig into display and brightness. Set view to standard, disable zoom, and test orientation lock. Navigate to settings general software update and install pending updates because many full-screen bugs are fixed in patches. Update or reinstall the app causing the issue. Corrupted app data can force odd layouts. If the problem persists, reset home screen layout, then reset all settings as a targeted step that preserves data while clearing configuration errors. You finish by verifying the issue after changes, test multiple apps and rotate the device. If software fixes fail, perform a DFU restore using a computer and cable. This reinstalls firmware and iOS cleanly. Follow exact timing for DFU entry. Once restored, restore your backup and confirm the screen behavior. If the screen still appears misaligned or unresponsive, suspect hardware. Contact Apple support or an authorized repair provider because display controller faults require
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.